Let's do homework exercise number 5 from section 8.7. It states, consider the following pair of mortgage loan options. For $185,000 mortgage, which mortgage loan has the larger total cost? Closing costs, the amount paid per points, and total interest. Mortgage A is 30 years fixed at 9.25, closing cost of $2,301 point. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and work with mortgage A first. Now, the mortgage A, the amount of they're going to pay is going to be based on the monthly payment. So what we'll do for mortgage A, we have 30 years at 9.25. We'll go over to bankrate.com. Okay, so go ahead and open a new website, bankrate.com. There it is, www.bankrate, bankrate.com. Okay, and you should get to this home page. When you're at this home page, scroll over the top row there to calculators. Click on the calculator, and then scroll down a bit, and you have a mortgage calculator. Okay, so a mortgage calculator, and then what we have is the loan, the mortgage from the problem. My problem was, put in whatever your value is, 185,000. The term is 30 years, and it is 9.25%. Put it in as a percent, and you don't have to worry about the mortgage start date. And then go ahead and press go ahead and calculate. Go ahead and press calculate. Okay, the monthly payment is $1,521.95. Okay, now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to take $1,521.95 times the monthly payment, 12 months a year, and times 30 because it's 30 years. So we get $547,902. Okay. Now, we also have 1 point, which is 1% on the mortgage A. If you go back to the problem, it's 1 point right there. It's 1 point. So we'll go ahead and do 0.01 times 185,000, which is $1,850, and there's also a closing cost of $2,300. So the total is going to be the monthly. We'll just take all the monthly payments times 12 times 30, which was $547,902 plus 1 point, $1,850 plus closing cost of $2,300, and that gives us our total cost for mortgage A of $552,052. Okay. Now we're going to do mortgage B. Mortgage B is 7.5%, $2,300 closing cost, and it's 5 points. Okay. So now again, we'll go back to bankrate.com. It's still $185,000. It's still 30 years, but it's at 7.5%. So 7.5, go ahead and calculate, and the monthly payment is now $1,293.55. Okay, so now we'll take the monthly payment, $1,293.55, okay, times 12 times 30, and there's our total, $465.67. Okay. And we have Okay, and now that takes care of the monthly payments. Now, what else is there in this loan? We go back to the homework problem. It's 5 points. So that's 0.05 as 5% times the mortgage, 185,000, and we get 9250. So now what's the total spent for mortgage B? The payments were 465,678 plus points 9250 plus the closing cost 2,300, and we get 477,228. And remember, the other cost for mortgage A, if we go back, was 552,052. So if we go down, so we find the difference. Mortgage A was $552,052 minus mortgage B, 477,228, and we get a difference of 74,000. So now mortgage A was actually the higher one, right? So mortgage A has a larger total cost than margin B, and it's by $74,824. Okay? So again, we did the monthly payment. We got the monthly payment for each mortgage A, right? And then the monthly payment from bankrate.com. Okay. And then it was the monthly down payment times 12 times 30, right? To get the total money they spent on monthly payments. Then we added 2,301 point, which was 1%. Then we did the same thing with 7.5, 30-year 7.5. We used Bankrate. It had 185,000 mortgage, and we got the monthly payment times 12 times 30, added the 2,300 and the 5 points. Again, the 5 points was 9250. So again, you can see all we did was get the total cost by using the monthly payment times 12 times 30, then adding the closing costs and points for each mortgage, and found the difference. Okay, we're going to stop this session here. If you have any questions, send me an email at tsquares@hodges.edu or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.